All right. We are here today. It's a beautiful day, so we're going to hang out outside. Can everybody hear now? Okay, good. If you guys can't hear, just let us know. We're doing an unboxing and we're introducing Jax. She's going to be doing co-hosting with me on a couple episodes.
Yep.
As many as she wants to. That's up to her. We get along most of the time. Sometimes we don't, which will make for great content. I'm hoping. So the first thing we wanted to do was introduce Jax, but we have a new box. So I'm gonna cut it open, and we're gonna see what we got today. Just be patient. It's all gonna come to life. We've got a lot of bless you.
Thank you.
We've got a lot of people waiting for things. Bless you. Oh, what do we have here? I'll pull that out. I want to see the patches first. We'll pull all this stuff. We got a lot, guys, a lot of things that we're going to be dropping new. Oh, really?
Go. We'll see you.
He wants to be in the show. So here's some patches. Jax, let's see what we got. Soto, fire. Yep. Soto, we got it. We got him in. You're good to go. And then we got a taco.
I see that taco.
I see that taco, and I raise you a
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Yep, that's my boys.
Fourth
Oh, we got
row.
some tings.
Fourth row.
Oh.
That one's pretty dope.
What do we have?
Fourth row.
Fourth row. Put those together. That's my boy. 7-Eleven. Fourth row.
Yeah. I don't know.
Man, there's a lot. You weigh.
What's that one?
That one actually looks pretty good. That's Youngbloods. That one's coming, J-Bo. We got some really good ones coming for you.
YBZ.
Yep, that's J-Bo also. That's the Youngbloods. You know who they are?
Yeah. No.
We don't give a damn. We don't give a
hoot.
They used to mess with. They might still, but they were with what?
I don't know.
You like that one?
No, just what I said. These are cool.
That's Edwin. Cool. We're gonna. Those are nice. He's gonna like those.
Those are dope.
Drinking Partners. Another one. That's Youngbloods. You guys got 4 coming right now. Another Youngbloods. Steampunk.
Oh, we got multiple colors. Youngblood. We like that. We got
Steampunk. Youngbloods.
We got colors.
These are some
options. We like options.
Yes. Which is your favorite color?
Red.
This one would go with this outfit.
I like red. Washed.
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 Put that one here. That's with him. This is the original Sticky one. Shot in the heart.
A-Town Stomp. A-Town Stomp.
A-Town Stomp. That's also goes with Steampunk.
Oh.
This one's fire.
Oh, shoot.
I like that punk one. What else? That's my boy.
Is this Soto one you showed? Yep, that shit's dope.
Soto's good looking one?
That one's dope.
Yeah, Soto's performing next week in LA, BET.
Oh, damn. We like that.
What's that? Damn. Yeah, I like that one too. That's also J-Bo. J-Bo, you got a whole stack coming, buddy.
Soon.
Soto, those are fire.
Be home soon.
Yeah, man, I got some secrets too. I'm not gonna tell everyone because I got some secrets.
Dope.
Jet Life, that one is dope. That one is dope. These are unique. These are specific. Okay, here's Edwin. Edwin.
Dope.
Edwin, what are you doing? Edwin, we got you, Edwin. We taking care of you. These are coming. Edwin. Slurpee?
We like a Slurpee.
Yeah, we love Slurpees.
We like
That goes
Slurpees.
with my boy, Super Ape. Yeah. We're trying to connect with them.
What we got else in here? What else
Panther?
we got in here?
He made a big Panther.
We got
that
more
one's still fire.
flowers. We like the flowers. Flowers are cute. Oh,
85.
what's this one? Edwin?
Yes, that's Edwin too. That one came out great.
Got a whole collection building over
85.
here.
This was J-Bo.
Let's see.
Be home soon, Max B.
Presidential. We got that.
Which one? That's that presidential?
Oh, yeah.
Presidential cigar, North Side. If you're from the North Side, holla at us. Just got those in. Self-made. That one's fire too. In the old English letters.
Oh no, G1. We got the Panther back.
Yep. That's a big Panther though. That one's a little bit bigger. That one might fit a little differently.
All right, that's what we got in this one.
Did you get these two?
Oh, psych. We got this
We
one.
got the Happy Flowers back.
Yeah, water's in there.
Self-made Happy Flowers, Jet
Oh,
Life,
nice.
Fresh Fades. We got you. They wanted 100 of these. They know what's up. They sell. If you guys are looking for Sticky exclusives, go to Fresh Fits and Fades on Central. Get a cut and get fresh over there. Blake Major chips. These are dope.
So after that,
Really good size, fit on a hat really nicely. The buckets, they would probably be dope. And we got every color for you. That's the pink.
Dope.
These are nice too. I always love these. These are the awareness. What do you got there? You gonna put it on? All right. So let's see how Blake Major chips.
That's dope. I like that.
Yeah, that fits on there nice. And they come in every color.
That's dope.
Would that one fit you? That one looks like it matches the
Matches
outfit,
the
maybe.
fit. I like that. How we doing?
We got the red
It
too.
matches.
Red chips.
That's dope.
You like that one?
I like that.
Damn, we got some big
That's
ones.
dope.
The drink,
That's nice.
drinking partners.
You see that one?
What else do you see? This one is dope too. This is Edwin's also.
I know. Let's put those on.
Did you like that one?
I do. Let's put that into a little collection.
She's got the face mask bong on.
Yeah, dope.
He's gonna like these too. That's his logo. That's the F Love
Let me see.
logo.
Dope.
That really actually
These
looks
are
like
his?
him. Another washed. Yeah, all three of those are his. All four of those.
Look at that. Edwin, look at
EDI.
it. That shit's dope.
Yeah, that came together
That's fire
nicely.
as fuck.
This might be one of my favorite patches.
I know. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like
That
that.
might be one of my favorite patches, the Praying Angel.
Let's put all these guys on there.
So far, it's on top. But that Edie, Edie, this is coming to you. Wanted just to get you a couple special ones.
Colored it out.
What else are you seeing?
Color it
Blake, these
out.
you got every color of the major chips.
Fucking dope. Dope. These are all his. What else is his?
Yes, those are his.
This.
The Yep, steampunk.
What else?
Georgia, drinking partners. This one too. Could maybe put this underneath the brim.
This one. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. You gotta try this. Got a bunch of your own patches made. Set this out. What's this one? It's on the bottom.
Yep, that one's theirs too.
Dope.
What else do we got here? We got a lot. That
there
fourth
one more?
rope.
Which one else is that? This one?
We got more of the Hello My Name. Yep, the presidential cigar. More Hello My Name is. We're gonna drop
dope.
these too. We will drop these.
Look. Youngblood, look at that. That's dope. And then you ready? You ready? Bam! You didn't see that shit.
Bam!
You didn't see it coming.
Did you put A-Town Stomp on there?
No, I didn't even have. What? That's dope. Let's get that put on the bottom.
If you didn't put
There we
A-Town
go.
Stomp on there,
There we go. We
You're gonna get stomped.
fitting it. We fitting it. We fitting it on there.
you're gonna get
Ready? Ready?
stomped.
Bam. Oh.
Bam!
Oh. Look at that. It's a fucking vibe. That's dope. I like that. So many like cover this entire hat.
Yep.
That's dope.
Well, the hat that you wear usually is the
The bucket.
snapback or the bucket.
I like the bucket. That's my favorite.
That would
literally
really
put
fit
all of them on there.
Yeah, that would fit them better.
That'd be dope.
Soto, I like that. He's performing in
this
LA. Blake Major Chips performing in LA. So if you
So-
guys follow Blake or Soto, definitely connect with them. They're gonna have these.
That's gonna be dope.
This is their collections.
I like that. This little dam is like cute right here in the corner. You can even mix it up real quick.
So you guys know how this works. You take a patch.
Right on the front.
If you don't know how this works, then you're learning today. But if you follow us, you should know that everything we do is attachable, detachable, removable.
There you go.
We got you, Fresh Fits.
That's dope. That's dope.
I like this one too.
I do that one. I like that color. It's like my little matcha.
Yeah, that really looks like that character too. If you know anything about Edwin, I think his thing is called Hi, My Name Is Edwin or something like that. But the Hi is High.
Love
You
it.
didn't know. We used to have these. We just got these back. The lickety splits.
Dope.
Put that one in the middle there.
I want to put one of those.
You're already putting something together.
Yeah,
This one would match your outfit. Pretty
I
fun.
agree. I like this one.
Seeing if there's any other ones. We got so many because we have all these collections coming out right now.
Makes it so fun. I have so many options. Like, look. I'm getting that ready.
Open
Not
this
even
up.
done yet.
What is that?
Alright, we're putting it on pause.
Jack's gonna open this one up. These are exclusives.
So y'all can see. Alright.
I don't know if you guys are ready for these yet, to be honest with you.
Let's see.
It's perfect timing though.
Alright. This is nice. I like this, how thick this is. This feels nice. They're a little.
So,
You ready?
Evie freebie. I mean, yeah.
we love you
Yeah,
guys.
like 1 second. Stop. Alright, I'll be right back.
How's that look?